Welcome to Navneet Metal, manufacturer and supplier of stainless steel scraps and fittings and fasteners. The company was established in 1996 at Mumbai. Immense domain experience and team of dexterous professionals make us different from others. Capacious warehousing facilities, industry-leading prices, and cutting-edge technology are the plus points of our organization. We offer a wide assortment of butt weld tees, industrial elbows, and flanges. Our industrial fasteners, magnesium, and metal scraps are widely acclaimed in the market. We offer non-ferrous products, stainless steel bars, and fittings that are reckoned all over the world for their superb quality. Stainless steel pipes, products, and scraps offered by us are some of our best-selling products. Along with that, we offer socket weld tees and stainless steel tubes that are available at industry-leading prices. We also provide stainless steel bars and pipes for construction works that are a class apart. To get more information, log on at www.navneetmetal.com.